very tired of seeing women in beautiful Indian clothes weighed down like dead kind of rats dragging something around and then running up at midnight to change or shedding parts of their clothes and then definitely taking off their shoes and wearing rubber chappals because they've got sores. I think you got to be free. This is the land of the jutti and the beautiful. She wore flats.
I wore
Of
flats.
course, she is short, poor thing, but otherwise, still it would be good. And, I think that fashion that's evening fashion should free you and make you glamorous. It doesn't matter. If you look at our heritage, they were flats. Why do we have to we have to stop trying to be something we are not? You want to wear the embroidery, but you want to wear a heel, and you have to drag 20 kilos in a lehenga. Forget it. It's nouveau. I think we're light, beautiful, spangly. So it was a kind of an analogy to the cosmic, to the lightness of the universe, and bring that into our lives. I mean, women surely are more than just what they wear. Look at a great example is here. I told her I have a crush on her after seeing Bareli Ki Barfi because they really put her in the worst clothes. That was part of her role. I mean, she just bought from the local tailor, and her personality made it glam. So you have to dress, and you have to wear the clothes, and you have to make it. I think somewhere along the way, we've lost that a bit. And in our culture, a 300 rupee handloom sari could look fantastic as well as a 10 lakh lehenga. But the 10 lakh lehenga is not really some torture garment. When people say, oh, glamour first, no, well, they don't look so glamorous by 12 o'clock, So it really is a departure, and I think we've all learned enough. These things are done in stretch. They're weightless. Blow it and then see it fly.
Yeah.
And it's really just that lightness. So that's sort of our collection. We've been doing fashion for 20 odd years. We have learned the technique, and now we're applying it to everything, including the embroidery, to make it wisp-like. I mean, in Western clothes, nobody would ever wear anything that weighed more than 3 or 4 kilos. Let's say if it was a beaded coat. I think we need that spirit back here.
Well said.
Thank you.
And we had Bollywood's darling, Kriti Sanon, put the show to a scintillating end. Kriti, tell us a little bit about what you're sporting, as well as, your association with Tarun for Lucky
Well,
Fashion Week.
all I know is that I feel beautiful wearing this garment, and I don't feel hectic at all. Like, I literally could run on the ramp, but I was supposed to walk, so I walked.
I told her to be as naughty as she wanted.
Yeah, he asked me to be naughty and he asked me to smile, but then he gave it a second thought and he's like, smile when I come with you. Don't smile before that. So I had fun. I think, this whole thing of couture being really hectic and actually very heavy to sort of wear and, enjoy your evening. You don't really enjoy the evening. I think, I'm so glad that he's taking care of that and making you look pretty and elegant and beautiful, but at the same time, keeping it easy, keeping it free. And I think the whole concept of the show was fabulous. I just felt like I owned the world when I walked on that ramp because I could see so many of myself.
Many countries, yeah.
I could see so many of me there.
Showstoppers tonight, seven
Yeah.
the same.
Yeah, and in fact, everything, like even the music, I feel was so strong. It just makes you feel strong. And as he said, it's not like it's not about only your clothes, but it's also about you. So I felt fab walking the ramp tonight.
Thank you. Everybody in the audience have a lot of questions for the both of you, so I'm just going to keep the floor open for questions. Any questions, guys?
Whoa, a lot of questions. Where are they?
Nisha, oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Nisha, you have a question?
Congratulations, Tarun.
Hi.
Congratulations for the show.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We need a mic here.
What are the things which you keep in mind while selecting your showstopper?
He needs to have a crush on them.
Yeah, well, I have a crush on this one. She's so naughty. I love it. They have to be naughty. They have to be spirited. I think they have to embody the spirit of the show. And I was telling her before, when we actually chatted about doing this, that by chance I watched Bareli Ki Barfi. And even though she wore the simplest clothes and all, her spirit, that spirit of that defiant, cocky, spirit of adventure, wanting to experience the world, and yet being innocent, I just fell in love with the way she portrayed it, And And from the few times I've met her, actually that spirit's not so far from her spirit, you know. I'm sure it was more difficult to do it in Hindi, but you did a great job. And these are the things I want. But she's also, for me, I've just asked her to shoot for the couture. I love the bone structure. I love the skin. I love the fact that there doesn't have to be too much. There's a naturalness. I will bleach her hair black again, but...
Temporary.
Good evening, Kriti.
Hi.
Kriti, you were enticing while walking the ramp? Enticing.
Seductress of space, yes.
Are you asking me or telling me?
Yeah, I'm confirming it.
You can say that.
Why not?
That was the brief to you?
I was just told to just feel free and feel strong. That's about it.
That's it. To be her own
Let him
spirit,
be free, yeah. Let him talk.
Let him be free. It's okay.
चकड़ देते हैं लोग.
आप कभी-कभी
आखिर
ट्रैक से
बैठो।
बहुत उधर चले जाते हैं इसलिए चक्कर
बेचारा
देते हैं
question
थोड़ा
पूछ
सा.
रहा है अब इसको
So I was just told to be free and told to be, just someone who...
Spirited.
Yeah, just spirited and empowered and just feeling free about myself.
And therefore, that is enticing. That is the modern enticement.
Month of romance. You are also romantic?
Yeah, I am.
Who
I am.
isn't? Who isn't?
I'm kind of filmy romantic. Are you filmy romantic?
I'm not sure what that means. You have to explain today. I'm not filmy, so I can't answer that.
Kriti, they're trying to end it.
What happened? Yeah.
Except there weren't 20 hands up, poor thing. His was the only one.
Yeah. Let him answer.
Go on, go on. We'll
Kriti,
come.
so something that you're sporting now, is this your personal style as well?
Absolutely. The way I said, I was so happy the moment he said, you don't need to wear your heels. Flats are fine. I'm like, oh my God.
As you don't wear the dupatta, we think, wear the way you would.
Yeah, he was like, I don't want the dupatta to be like, you need to handle it. I'm just going to put it on you.
Yeah, so
And just
it's
feel
all
free about
broached,
it.
yeah.
So there are like brooches on the dupatta, which are like, I don't need to take care of it.
So let me tell you, we do a lot of structured drapes. And because more and more people are wearing just kurtis, or actually everyone's in simple Western clothes now in the day, suddenly to handle a dupatta or a sari for young girls, young women who have not worn it a lot, they find it very difficult. And they're always throwing their dupattas off. They'd love to throw their saris off too. I've even seen that at parties. And people are dancing in cholis and petticoats. They're mad enough. So now we think, as designers, you got to have solutions. What's the point of doing a dupatta if it's going to be thrown off? So do a structured drape, find a way to broach it. You should enter and leave a party in the same way, not be bedraggled by the end because you took 2/3 off. Simple.
And must-haves for a summer bride would be, according to you?
Lightness, a feeling of cool, and the must-have of must-haves is to be yourself.
I think what I'm wearing right now is very apt for a summer bride, I feel. Because it's got these very nude, soft, pink, lavender kind of shades, I think, which makes you look soft and pretty.
You can model for them once so you can see how light it is.
I'm going to charge extra for that.
Oh, yeah. Also, I must tell you that this collection is not couture. It's not the bridal collection. This is all ready to wear. This is actually very well priced, and it's going to be sold at the stores. It's not that you have to specially order. A lot of stuff in the beginning, some of the coats were all on khadi. They were printed khadi outfits or jersey.
So you're a blingy person at heart, Kriti?
It depends. Sometimes. Sometimes I'm quite worn out, I would say. With my worn out denims and my worn out tees.
Hi, Tarun.
Hi.
Lovely collection,
Thank
first
you.
of all. So you just said that you were mesmerized with her character in Bareli Ki Barfi. And since